Hi friends, it's Maya coming with to you with another video. And this video, I'm just going to make a basic vegetarian meal. Okay, we're just going to make a basic vegetarian meal. I'm going to be using some potato. Any potato will do. Uh, a small onion, some garlic, maybe 2 cloves of garlic will do. A vegetable beyond cube, and an eggplant, some scallion, seasoned salt, crushed red pepper, and black pepper. And the star of the show is some curry powder. This is Better Pack curry, and we're going to use the curry in this wonderful vegetarian meal. So hold tight. I'm going to cut these up in small pieces, and then we're going to come back up. Okay? Okay, so my friends, here we are. I cut up three medium to large potatoes, only three. That's all you need for this recipe. So we're making curry potato eggplant um, dish, and this is a 100% vegetarian. Okay, so here's my eggplant, guys. I already washed it, so I'm gonna cut up this in small pieces. I'm gonna cut them up around the same size that I cut up the potatoes. Okay, so here we go. Make sure you take off the stem. And this eggplant recipe is super easy. You do not have to remove the seed, my friends. This is how you want it. Okay, and as I said, bite-sized pieces like this. Okay, so we're going to be doing this. It's pretty simple to make. It takes about half an hour to make this meal, and it's one of those recipes that has been um, tried, tested, and is true. Okay, so here we go. So here we go, bite-sized meal. Look at this big piece. We can maybe cut this in half. See, nice size, right, for this meal. Okay, so that's all we need is um, one eggplant. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on the side. Here we go. I'm gonna cut up the onion, and I hope you guys like onions in your meal, because I think that's just what gives it a wonderful taste. Okay, so I'm just peeling the onion. I'm going to chop the onion up in small pieces. Okay, so here we are. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe, and you know, keeping yourself well. Right, and this is a very nutritious meal to have, guys, and if you're looking for a simple recipe, this is the one. Okay, so here we go. Our onions are all chopped up. Now I'm going to chop up my garlic. I have 2 cloves of garlic here, and that's all you need for this recipe. Now you can also use, I'm going to you can also use um, what do you call it? Already pre-chopped garlic. I mean, from the one that I bought off the Costco on my recent haul. You could, but I just like fresh, especially with this meal, just some nice fresh ingredients going in. Okay, so our garlic, I'm going to be chopping up small. There you go. And as I said, I love the smell of garlic and onions being cooked. Okay, so here's our garlic. I just smashed it and it's all in nice pieces. Okay, and I also have some green onions here. but it's green onions that's been sitting in the fridge for a while, but nevertheless it still works. And I have some green onions here that I've chopped up before, so I'm just going to use this up to make sure everything is nice and ready. Okay, so um, let's head to the stove and get things started, okay? Okay, my friends, the first thing you're gonna do is put some oil in your pot. Any oil will do. Okay, just put maybe about 2 tablespoons of oil. This is all that I put. Okay, so the curry is going to go in now, guys. I like to cook my curry first. So I'm gonna put maybe a tablespoon of curry in the oil. Right? I'm gonna push it around a little bit. I'm going to also turn down the stove a little bit. Okay, so there's my curry. And this is better back curry that I'm making. Okay, so now at this point I'm going to add some Kirkland brand of crushed red pepper. I'm also going to put some Kirkland brand of black pepper in as well. Okay. My potatoes that I've cut up, guys, I'm just going to add it in now. The thing with the potato, when you add it in now, it's going to get a little bit sticky, but that's okay. We're going to tip a little bit of water in there. So you see that wonderfulness in there with the curry. Oh, you should smell how wonderful the house smells. It smells wonderful in here. Okay, I'm going to turn that stove down. This stove that I'm using doesn't really work very well. Okay. The rest of my ingredients, guys, this is white onion, green onion, garlic. I'm going to put it in. Right? Make sure it's all in there. My eggplant, guys, I'm going to stir this up first. Right? Now, the eggplant, my friends, I'm just going to place it on top of the potatoes. The eggplants are cook quite fast, right? They're easy to cook, so I just leave them basically on top of my potatoes. Okay. Now, the eggplant also will produce a little bit of water, but not much. Okay. So that's in there. Everything that I need is in there. I'm going to put half of the vegetarian beyond cube in here, and we're just going to leave it like that. Okay, at this point now I'm going to put a little bit of water, maybe half a cup of water. Did you hear that wonderfulness? And at this point, remember, I'm not going to stir it up because I don't want the eggplant to be at the bottom. I'm just going to leave it there. Turn down the stove. And I'm going to put a lid on the pot. And if you know me and know me well, you know that I like my cast iron pots. And this is a great cast iron pot to be making this meal in. Okay, so this is going to be cooking until the potato gets soft. Okay, so you're looking at maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we'll come back and finish up our meal. Okay? Okay, my friends, there is my potatoes being cooked. Remember, I didn't stir it up, but I did add some seasoning salt, and this is Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning salt. And yeah, so remember the eggplants are on top. This has been cooked. The potatoes has been cooking for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna now stir this up, guys. Right, it's gonna be sticky at the bottom a little bit, but it's okay. I'm going to stir this up. So everything is stirring. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious. At this point, my friends, I'm just going to tip very little bit of water, okay? And this is maybe a tablespoon of water that I'm going to add, okay? So this is coming to the last bit of it. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes already. See, the eggplant is soft, okay? So the potatoes are going to cook for another 10 minutes. And then this is basically done, okay? So let's put back the lid on. And I'm going to come back and show you in 10 minutes. Okay, my friends, this is basically it. The potatoes are fully cooked, and this is after a total of 20 minutes being cooked on the stove. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to plate this and let you see what it looks like. Okay. All right. So I'm going to turn off this, and I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, here it is, all plated. And so don't forget, this is my curry potato eggplant dish, vegetarian dish. I've paired it with some onion paratha and a nice kale salad. So here it is, simple, only 20 minutes to make. And as I said, this is tried, tested, and true. Okay, here we go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better.